Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Mazda BT-50, stock reference number 5866. This shape ran from the 10th of 2011 to the 6th of 2020. There's a P4AT 4-cylinder 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine, backed by a manual rear-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our P4AT 4-cylinder 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front wheels steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Left rear wheels steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear wheel steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front wheel, factory steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim, master switch, gear stick, heated AC controls. Left hand sun visor, courtesy light. Right hand sun visor. Tidy vinyl steering wheel with audio cruise and phone buttons.